If you're sewing up a swimsuit or a bralette and you want a little extra coverage, support, or lift, you're going to want to put some bust cups in there. Today, I'm going to show you how to alter your pattern so that way you can put some bust cups in there. Today, I'm going to be demoing on my Princess Melon bralette pattern so that way you can add some bust cups to it. And if you want to sew this up, you can get the pattern in my sewing club or on the website a la carte. I'll put links down below. And when you join the sewing club, you get access to our Discord and you get one pattern a month along with access to all of our past video tutorials. But again, this technique will work on any bralette or bathing suit pattern you're sewing up. So to start, we need our pattern pieces for the bust. So whatever pattern pieces you have right here for the bust, anything for the under bust, we don't need those, just for the bust here. So for this pattern, we need this top of the bust and then this side bust here for this princess line. For this project, you will need to buy some bust cups. Now, when you're buying bust cups, they do come in different sizes. So be aware of that and make sure you're getting something that corresponds to your bust size. I'll put some links down below for some Amazon links on where you can get them. So essentially what we need to create is a pocket to be able to put this bust cup in here on the inside. Now, we don't need the pattern piece to go all the way up into the strap because it's going to make it too bulky. And we don't need it to go all the way over to the side seam because we need to be able to slip it in, and we just don't need it way back here. And we don't need that pattern piece down here because we don't want our bust cup way under our bust. So I'm going to show you how to cut down your pattern and then how you would apply this to your garment. So now I've got my two pattern pieces and we need to trace them out. We don't want to cut these ones up because we need them just how they are. So grab some paper and let's make a second copy. So I've got my copies here of the side and the front upper. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some off the side. Now I'm going to take about 1 inch off the side. You could take off a little more if you wanted, but I'm going to take off 1 inch. So this is my side seam and I'm going to be taking off 1 inch on the side from top to bottom. And now we can cut that extra off. And then I can compare it to the existing one. So you can see the shape of the bust is still the same. It's just the extension on the side seam has become shorter. Now for the top of the bralette, like that front piece, we don't need all this fabric up here in the strap. So I'm actually just going to cut this straight across where the princess line is. So we need this area over here because that's going to sew into the princess line. We don't want to make that smaller. So I'm just going to cut off essentially the top of the strap. And so now you can see how that's going to fit on there, but we've removed this section. Now, believe it or not, that's all we needed to do to the pattern pieces. Now I'm going to show you how this all goes together with just like one bust cup. So I'm going to cut out my self fabric pieces and I'm going to cut out these cup lining pieces. Now for these ones, for like the little pocket, I want this out of a thinner lining fabric. So I have a stretch fabric here for this bralette. So I want to use tricot, you could use a power mesh, something like that. I'm going to be using power mesh today. So I have my original pieces in self cut out, and then I have my cut down patterns in the power mesh, which is going to be on the inside of the bralette. And when we're doing this, we need to sew these separately. So your lining is separate from your self. So we're going to sew the princess line on the self, princess line on the lining, and then I'll show you how they go together. So I've sewed that power mesh lining and the self fabric together at the princess line. So now we have a full bust here. So now we need to put these two together, and how they line up is important because this one is smaller than this one. So now we need the lining behind the self. So I'm going to flip the self so the wrong side is face up. We're going to take the lining one and put that seam on the inside so it doesn't rub on us. And when I line this up at center front and across the bottom, you can see that extra that we had cut off. We had cut off the side seam and we had cut off the top of the strap up here. So now what I'm going to do, just to keep this in place throughout the rest of the process of creating it, we can either serge or baste down these 3 sides here. And I'm just going to baste this down with the sewing machine so I don't have a buildup of extra serges when we attach our elastic. So you're just going to sew the neckline, center front, and this under bust here. Don't sew the side seam or across the top of the strap here. We're just basting this in because we have other pattern pieces to sew to this, and we don't want it to get too bulky with too much serging. I've put my knit stitch on my lightning bolt. I've made my stitch length long. I'm going down center front first. I'm going to go across the bottom, hold these serge tails out of the way. Make sure your princess lines line up. Now I'm going to sew up the neckline. I'm going to flip it over when I do this, so that way I can sew from center front up so I don't end up with any bubbles. I'm going to stop sewing when I get to the end of the power mesh. I don't have to go all the way to the end of the bra. I'm also going to flip it over now, and I'm going to sew up this little underarm area. It's really small, but it's this little curve, and then it goes to the princess line. It's just a couple inches. And if you wanted, you could keep sewing all the way up the front, but you will see that on your bralette. So I'm going to suggest that you just stop here at the princess line. So it's going to look something like this for you. So we sewed across the bottom, up center front, the neckline, and then just this little section here on the underarm. Now, all of these edges are going to be captured by elastic or another seam throughout the process, but this is the only area we need it secure for now. So on the inside of the finished bralette here with no lining in it, you can see how center front gets secured to the other panel. We've got the elastic around the edge and the armhole. We've got the side seam, and then we've got this piece under the bust that's going to attach up here. So if I take this and put this on here, you can kind of see what's going to happen. We're going to have this little like lining layer in here. So now what you do is take your bust cup, just kind of fold it in half, make sure the curved shape is facing you, and we're going to slip that in there, and you can kind of maneuver it around. And then that is going to sit in there while you're wearing your bralette. And it's going to help give you that shape and that lift, and the bralette's going to be tight on you, and it's going to help hold it in place. Now, if you want something additional, you can do, if you want this to be permanent, is you can try this on, position it, pin it, and then you can sew it just to this lining layer. So you can tack it at the points here and here, and that's going to help hold it in place for you. But I find that a lot of times these are just kind of free floating in there, and they stay in place while you're wearing it. You'll notice these a lot in your bathing suits and bralettes. So you can really see what this is doing and where it's going in the bralette. It's going right here, and it's giving you some extra shape, support, and volume. There's lots of different types of pads out there. Some of them are bigger, some of them are thinner. Maybe you just want the ones that just cover your nipple area so you don't get hard nipples. Or maybe you want the ones with the hard nipple, like from that Kardashian line. Can you believe those nipple bras? Crazy stuff out there these days. Thank you so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions about creating the pattern pieces for your bust cup, let me know. Leave it down below and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the tutorial today, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when the new tutorials come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. And don't forget, if you want to sew up this bralette with me, I've got the pattern online for you. You can download it. It's a PDF. You can get it at the Sewing Club, or you can get it a la carte on the website. These little projects are so fun to make. And if you want to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out the online and in-person classes here in Chicago. There are links down below for everything. And if you want to know what's going on in the studio today, check out the Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!